Gearheads, buckle up. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated and finally revealed 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. This isn't speculation. The gloves are off, and Porsche has unleashed a monster. Let's dissect the features, explore the performance, and see why this might be the ultimate luxury SUV for driving enthusiasts. A sharper silhouette. Aerodynamics meet aggression. The standard Cayenne exudes power, but the Turbo GT takes it to a whole new level. Imagine a more aggressive front fascia dominated by a larger air intake system, feeding the beast beneath the hood. Picture sleek, LED headlights with darkened accents flanking the grille, creating a sharper and more menacing stance. The silhouette is lower and sleeker, hinting at the aerodynamic improvements for ultimate performance. Prominent side skirts and a redesigned rear diffuser complete the picture, showcasing both function and pure Porsche aggression. Performance unleashed, power meets precision. This isn't your average Cayenne. The Turbo GT boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, meticulously tuned to deliver a staggering 650 horsepower and 626 lb-ft of torque. Imagine the exhilarating acceleration that will push you back in your seat and the ferocious growl of the titanium exhaust system. An 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes for a truly connected driving experience. Porsche claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.1 seconds, placing it firmly in supercar territory. Driver-focused interior, luxury tailored for performance. Step inside, and the focus on the driver is undeniable. Imagine premium materials like Alcantara and leather covering the seats and dashboard, offering a luxurious yet sporty feel. The redesigned steering wheel with integrated shift paddles puts control at your fingertips. A curved digital instrument cluster displays vital information clearly, while a central touchscreen infotainment system offers the latest connectivity features without compromising the driver-centric layout. Every element screams performance, without sacrificing the comfort expected from a Porsche. Enhanced handling for peak performance. The Cayenne Turbo GT isn't just about power in a straight line. Porsche engineers have equipped it with a host of performance-enhancing features. Imagine a revised air suspension system that lowers the ride height for improved handling and stability. Rear-wheel steering allows for sharper cornering and agility at high speeds. Upgraded ceramic composite brakes ensure you can confidently bring this beast to a stop. Every aspect of the Cayenne Turbo GT is designed to deliver an exhilarating and precise driving experience on the track or a winding road. A price tag worthy of the performance. The official pricing for the 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT hasn't been announced yet, but expect it to command a premium price tag that reflects its exclusivity and performance. However, for those seeking the ultimate blend of luxury, power, and handling in an SUV, the Cayenne Turbo GT might just be worth every penny. Welcome the king of the Cayenne lineup. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT has arrived, and it's a game-changer. With its ferocious power, razor-sharp handling, and luxurious yet sporty interior, it sets a new standard for performance SUVs. So, what do you think? Is the Cayenne Turbo GT your dream SUV? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content.